Ano to, Peking duck?
Oo.
Ha? Pero manok.
Chicken.
Oo. Kaya peke, no? Peke na duck pala to.
That's why peke.
Oo.
It's only peke.
Thank you. So hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Dito pa rin tayo sa may Cyprus. Siyempre wala pang cruising, ano. So dito ako sa may taas, sa may open deck. And yun, napanood ko yung sunset. Napakaganda ng sunset. So yeah, ay kita nyo sa likod ko. Ayan, oh, ganda ng sunset, ano, diba? So welcome to another vlog. And sana sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, hit na lang yung subscribe button para updated kayo sa mga susunod nating mga videos, ano. So yeah, welcome to Gabang Larida Vlogs. So yan, nakikita ninyo guys, napakaganda ng sunset, diba? Araw-araw ganito eh, ganda, ano. Pero mas maganda pa rin si Mrs. Jan.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could...
So dito muna tayo sa spa. Hindi para magpa ano, kundi uulan dito, relax lang. Dahil kahit pa paano, nakaka-ano na rin kasi doon sa aking opisina. So kahit pa paano, maiba naman yung nakikita natin, diba? Hindi lang yung nasa harap tayo ng computer palagi. Although wala naman, nakatitig lang ako sa computer. Yung computer ganun din, nakatitig din sa akin yung monitor ko. Wala namang gagawin eh. Lalo pa ngayon dahil linggo. So walang emails galing sa opisina. So dito muna tayo sa spa. Ay, kita nyo, yan o. Yan. So ito, walang tao dito eh. Walang operation eh, kaya ito. Yan. Ay, mamaya-maya ng konti. Bababa na naman tayo para sa mag-close tayo ng cruise. So punta tayo dito sa my motion studio. So ganda. Yan. Diba? Sa kabilang side naman, gym yun. Kumbaga, kung gusto mo mag-workout doon talaga. Ito pang babae lang yata dito. Mga dumbbells ang liliit. Ang gagaan.
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell,
never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical.
You're more Asian than me.
Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head,
So, puntahan na natin yung forward. Then magandang view doon ng sunset.
no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta
Ito lang, talagang lang yung
living
ride ko
every day
dahil
to
na
taste it. I'm patient, but my mind it
yung
can
mga gagawin natin
undertake it.
dito
I'm
sa barko
chasing a
ngayon.
dream that I
Wala
had for
nang
several
station.
ages of vacant. Modern
Yun,
kingdom for the taking.
kita lang yung sunset pero
Now that I've been
labas tayo, doon tayo sa may
I never got anyone's help.
open deck.
I had to do it all myself.
Alright. So makikita nyo, dami pa rin barko talaga dito na naka-standby, ano? Yan yung aming sister ship. Dalawa yan sila, yung isa nasa likod. Ito naman barko ng ano yan, barko ng Princess Cruises. Ito sister company din namin, Pino Australia. So yeah, dito kami nakatambay ngayon dahil siyempre abang pa ng confirmation talaga kung kailan mag-start ng cruising. So ito yung view ng sunset dito to sa open deck. So may forward pero akit tayo sa pinakataas para maganda yung view. So ngayon, so dito tayo sa taas. Mahangin, so ewan ko lang kung marinig nyo ako dahil mahangin. Ganda, no? Yan. Ganda ng kulay, ganda ng combination ng kulay. So kung gabi minsan nandito ako, mapahangin-hangin. Sa ngayon kasi medyo bumabalik na sa pagiging malamig yung klima. Unlike nung nakaraang buwan na talagang napaka lisangan. So ngayon medyo okay na. Ano ang balita dyan? Laro tayo ng golf?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want.
Wala tayong ganong upload na mga videos dahil wala namang kaganapan dito. Walang ganong nangyayari dahil nga sa walang operations pa rin. So hindi pa kami wala pa kaming confirmation na tanggap from main office tungkol sa kung kailan kami mag-start ng operation. Excited na sana ako na mag-start ng operation dahil maraming lugar na mapupuntahan at marami akong mapapakitang mga magandang view sa inyo, may share sa inyo. Kasi itong pagbablog ko hindi naman ibig sabihin to na kailangan ko ng dahil sa pera. Kung may pera, darating pera, okay lang. Ibig sabihin, ang pagbablog ko is para to sa marami akong mai-share na mga magandang lugar, saka kung ano may experience ko. At the same time, kahit pagtanda natin, mapapanood pa rin natin kung anong nung mga time na nagbabarko ako, di ba? Parang ano di ba? Kahit matanda ka na, makikita mo pa rin na kahit nakaupo ka na lang sa wheelchair, kikita mo pa rin yung mga experience mo, kung ano yung napitahan mong lugar ng mga panahon na bata ka pa o nagtatrabaho ka pa. So ganun ang purpose na. Alright, so abangan nyo na lang na pag nagkaroon na ng mga operations, o di kaya yung next contract ko is doon ako sa may yard, pupunta sa may Italy, dahil mag-open na naman tayo guys ng bagong barko. May pandemic guys, pero may papagawa pa rin kami ng mga bagong barko. Anchovy pizza? It's good dyan
Fantastico.
Fantastico. Pizza italiano.
Excellent.
Good?
Good, very good. Italiano.
Italiano, pizza italiano. It's also my second batch, my friend.
Excellent.
But I'm waiting for the pizza with pineapple. They have it?
Hawaiian?
Hawaiian,
To
yeah.
order.
Ala, made to order also?
No, pineapple pizza?
Yeah. You like pineapple pizza also? Huh? But you know, Italians, that they don't like it. It's like, who made this shit, you know? I heard one Italian chef before, and I showed him the how do you call this pizza with the pineapple, the Hawaiian pizza, and he said, who the hell made this shit, man? And, senor, very good. But this is my second batch, huh? But I'm waiting for pineapple. I need to practice my Italian.
Magkaga ko natatapot sa mga alam, visit.
I need to practice my Italian because in January I'm going to the yard again.
Oh, wow. When?
January.
January next
Open
year?
another ship again, my friend.
Making money again, no?
We
How
already
much?
making.
How much? 75, no?
7,000.
No. That was 50 euros before. I mean 50 euros a day for food allowance.
Yeah, but you use all? I don't think so.
Only 5 euro.
No, 5 euros a day. I use. I spend.
Last,
The rest on the side, you know.
last 7,800 monthly.
What?
No, the pizza is good.
7,000 euros.
Thank you guys.
Let him speak Italian.
Italiano, por favor, signore.
You make a vlog. He's a vlogger.
What you put now? Salami? Ham? Meat?
Very good.
Calzone.
Balsoni, he will pull.
Oh mamma mia. Mi amore. Oh, look. What that? Huh? Ano na? Ooh la la. So they're making fresh pizza here. This original pizza from Italy, my friends.
Prepared by lovely Italians. Maestro.
Again.
I will introduce to you one of the Italian from Grimaldi. His name is Kevin.
Pasta italiano.
The land of Lupin III.
What is making?
Calzone.
Huh? Calzone.
Very nice. Typical Italian. Wow, I love it.
I need to practice my Italian because I'm going back to the yard again.
L'olio, Giuseppe.
Olive oil. That's the expensive olive oil.
Put like 5 drops so that because it's expensive no more. That's the best.
Oh, lala.
A few moments later.
Wait.
Let's go attack.
Oh, lala.
Kain tayo dun.
Tapos na
Kain
ako
tayo
eh.
na dun.
Tapos na ako eh. Kakabusog lang. Nantay ko yung ano. Kawayan.
Quella là del chi è? Quella là è la sua, quella là di chi è, Giuseppe?
Yun. Katatapos lang din kumain ng pizza. So, busog na busog. Ano? Dami kong pizza kinana. Sa mga siguro 5 slices yun. Sarap kasi talaga pag yung pizza ay gawa ng mga Italiano. Yung mga totoong yung original na pinanggalingan ng pizza is Italy, di ba? So, yeah, ang sarap. Napakasarap ng dough ng pizza. And feel mo talaga yung freshness ng pizza na yung dough na paano nila gawin, kung paano nila tinimpla. Talagang napakasarap. Saka yung kanilang toppings, talagang piling-pili rin yung kanilang mga ingredients. So, napakasarap. Bihira lang kung makakain ng pizza na, although siyempre iba naman yung pizza sa atin sa Pilipinas. Pero itong pizza talaga dito na ano mo talaga na yung dough niya talagang napakasarap. Kasi yung sa pizza naman yung dough ang nagdadala talaga eh. So, ang tagal kong inantay yung request na namin na yung Hawaiian pizza yung may pineapple. Kaso siyempre sa dami nang nagre-request din ng mga, siyempre may ibang lahi din. Siyempre may gusto rin silang ibang flavors. So, matagal kayong umalis na ako. Pero ang dami kong kinain. Grabe. So, salamat nga pala sa mga subscribers, sa lahat sa inyo dyan, na mga nag-subscribe sa channel ko. May mga videos po tayo na may mga advertisement na rin, may mga ads na rin kahit papano. Pero, yeah, continuous lang sa pag suporta sa channel, sa mga future pa na videos natin. Para, diba, para masaya. Alam nyo naman na, siyempre, hindi pa tayo makakagawa ng mga magandang, ng mga videos na gumagala tayo. Dahil siyempre, dito lang tayo sa dagat, dito lang tayo sa isang area, sa barko, na hindi pa rin kami makapag-sail kasi. Wala pang go signal. So, yeah, darating ang panahon. So, salamat sa panonood niyo guys, and sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na sa channel natin, Gabang Larida Vlogs. So, subscribe na kayo at yeah. Ingat kayo dyan, and God bless sa inyong lahat.